How to make money online with this video. Regarding online income, most folks have zero ideas where you can get started. Thankfully, you have discovered this right up. Below you are planning to know what it will take to make money online. Remember to learn this short video watchfully to relish internet victory. Sign up for a site that would let you read emails during this evening. You will get links to scan different sites and read the miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time, plus it will pay amazing benefits in the lengthy haul. Are you currently a grammar nut? Does one comprehend the nuances of this English language? Consider working as a backup editor. You can receive money to check over articles written by others, seeking out any errors in the work and correcting them. The ideal aspect is you may perform all of it from the comfort of your own home. To create real cash online, it's going to take time to receive down it. An easy and simple way to learn the ropes is to mingle with other individuals with common interests in the business. Adopt a guru, begin conversations and ensure that the websites you're frequenting are all tried and authentic. Always keep an open mind and be willing to learn, and you'll be earning profits until you know it. Produce straightforward critiques of some of those new applications that are in the industry now. Software Judge is a site that'll let you use out this brand new application and make a review of just how good or bad you believe that it is. This will deplete your earnings if you can do this usually. Many folks make fantastic money online by turning names of domains. It is possible to discover trending keywords using Google AdWords. Take advantage of these keywords to create domain names that you feel will probably soon be popular. If these are an issue, then you will do well only making acronyms randomly. When a man seeking that term attempts to produce a website, your domain name for sale will probably appear. Consider it or not, you earn a little money online while you sleep. And an active revenue continues to give you money long after your work was accomplished. For example, you might run a forum where you have to expend very little attempt to maintain likely. Online transcription is a fantastic means to earn money on the internet if you are a fast and accurate typist. Transcripts of audio and video communication are in popular need for use by people with hearing handicaps or those who like to learn compared to listen to. You can find online transcription jobs on sites like Odesk or Elance, among others. Becoming a survey site member is a significant approach to getting your opinion heard and got paid extra cash. Meanwhile, you almost certainly will not be able to pay off all your bills or purchase a new car. You can make use of the excess money. Many dependable websites will frequently notify you of polls and email you brand new ones when related. How can you transform your true-to-life right into a second revenue online? If you're a carpenter by commerce, then you can sell instructions, blueprints, or kits online for projects like a deck or shed. If you are a graphic designer, moonlight as a builder, and market your skills online. Avoid signing up for internet jobs that need a sign-up payment. Most legitimate companies are not going to ask potential employees to get a commission just before letting them the chance to get the job done. If you get a business to get employment, you aren't normally asked to commit some income. And most internet companies are the same. Do you have a heart for customer services? If so, it is possible to make money online by calling calls for both companies. Also, it is possible to earn cash by conversing online with an organization's client to help them fix issues and answer their questions. There are many customer service sites available, for example, LiveOps, Functioning Solutions along with ACD Immediate. Because this manual has stated, make money online is possible. You only ought to comprehend your choices and figure out those that will probably fit your requirements. This video can allow you to receive the skills you ought to make some money on the internet. Use these tips and relish earning profits.